Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In this video we're gonna try to pick this interesting 40mm padlock. I don't know anything about this lock. It says Verhulst AV Brussels or Bruxelles. Let me focus. I don't know why it can't focus, but yes, there it is. Verhulst AV Brussels. It's a wafer padlock and this weird looking logo 9070. I don't know, is it from Belgium? Probably it is. And is it from some kind of maintenance or something like that? Public security lock or something like that? I don't know. I picked it once, but never again. I tried to restore it. I thought it will be easy to find the correct key for the lock, but the keyway is really restrictive. Even if it is a wafer lock, though, it's restrictive. It has many rails inside. So I'm gonna try to pick this lock by using jigglers first. We have those jigglers and let's try them on appropriate padlock. But we don't have success. Why? Because the keyway is really restrictive. So jigglers will for sure go out. But we have this tension wrench and we will pick it in traditional way. I will use this small rake and I will try to rake the lock. Pretty light tension and going up and down. Maybe this will help. First time I got lucky because I picked it pretty fast. I don't have slightest idea what could be inside. Maybe wafers with false gates, maybe only simple wafers. But usually when you have such a restrictive keyway, I think that's the only security feature which prevents us to get inside. Locking pole is really interesting. Never saw such locking pole. It consists of two parts joined together. They are jiggly, but two plates. So you will see it if I manage to pick this lock open. It's really tight space inside. So let's go again. Let's increase wilderness. Maybe it will help. I could hear only one wafer coming back, so maybe I'm constantly punching the rail on the bottom of the keyway. Really secured lock. I could tell you This is the most secured lock, wafer lock I ever saw. But it's not made by some well-known company. So, because of that, it's unknown. I can't approach. Maybe SPP will help. Five minutes. Pretty big fight. And I'm constantly touching that bottom rail, which prevents me to be more successful. Maybe even we have false gates. Maybe, just maybe. I'm not sure. Feedback is really weird. I don't know if you ever saw this lock somewhere, or if you have it. I don't think I never saw this lock also. So we have it open. We have it open. Probably there are no false gates, but for sure restrictive keyway prevents us to be really fast in picking such lock. So we have really weird locking pole. If you could see, I will try to focus as much as I can. There are two plates joined together. Two plates joined together. No. I don't know if you could see it, but two plates are here. And they are joined together. So, I never saw such a locking pole before. Usually, locking pole consists only of one part, not two joined parts. Two squeezed parts. I wanted to restore this lock, but I don't know how to approach it. Don't have slightest idea which pin, where is the pin which holds the core in place, the locking system in place. So there is one small pin, but it's really small, and probably it protrudes all the way till the core. So there is a chance that I could drill here and punch out this rod, retaining rod, and take out the guts and see what could I do. But I'm pretty scared because a couple of years ago I got Eagle padlock, full brass US set padlock, and I missed the rod, retaining rod, to disassemble the lock, to try to find a key or to accommodate as much as I can keyhole, and I destroyed the lock. It's unusable. It's practically like the bomb exploded, so, and destroyed it. So I have only parts of it, of that Eagle US set padlock, and it's very hard here in Europe to find such locks. So I decided not to touch anything till the time comes, particular time when I maybe could find a key, or when I see someone on YouTube showing us how to dismantle and how to restore the lock, how to find correct key. I don't even know the key shape, I don't know which key it uses. I have some wafer lock keys, but all of them are not getting inside. So key profile is probably really restrictive and something which isn't seen much. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.